What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, earlier today we made some homemade fishing pole. Me and Gage, not Chris. Chris is not with me right now. We each made a homemade fishing pole. So we're out here at the pond about to see if we can catch a fish with it, and we're just using some bread, see if we can catch something. Maybe a bluegill or something. Yeah, so we'll get back with you guys if we catch a fish. Gage first already got a fish on his homemade rod. Little bluegill. All right, pick it up. You can't let it flop around, Gage. Get it.
Oh yeah.
Just get it off. First little cast on the rod. That is his rod right there, just a stick.
Oh, it's a pig.
Is it really? Alright guys, so we'll get back with you guys when one of us catch another fish.
Reel it in, buddy. Yeah.
Is it on still?
Yeah, it's on.
Alright, we're just hand lining it. It's not really real. Ooh, okay. Alright, bro. Easy claps. Bluegill. Not getting on. This is what we use for catfish right here, boys. Hey. Here, get a thumbnail, Get a thumbnail. Get the rod's falling out. We're really just catching bluegill right now, I guess. Can't really cast so far, so. These homemade rods right there, that's mine. This is Gage's. Comment whose is better, mine or Gage's. Homemade rods and reels are looking really good. We'll get back with you guys when one of us catch. Yeah, it's pulling. Oh, you recording?
Yeah. No, that's a tiny bluegill. It's a decent sized bluegill.
Cast that one pretty farther than the others cast. Seeing if we were catching a bass. Oh, this stuff got all tangled. Yeah. So we'll get back with you guys when one of us catch a fish.
About that bass, bubble. I'm all about that bass, bass.